The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has generated quite a buzz with the latest leaks, revealing some of the most significant upgrades in the Pocket lineup yet. One of the most exciting developments is DJI's move to a dual-camera system for the first time in this series. This opens up new creative possibilities, allowing for more flexibility and control while dramatically improving image quality compared to the Pocket 3. The main camera reportedly uses the same 1-inch, 50-megapixel variable aperture sensor found in the DJI Action 6, a sensor that's already delivering impressive performance in a higher-priced camera. Alongside this, DJI is introducing a secondary 1.3-inch square sensor aimed at vertical video, which should make capturing content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Stories much smoother, without awkward cropping or resolution loss. Despite earlier speculation about a dual-screen setup, the Pocket 4 will not feature a second full display. What was thought to be an additional screen is now believed to be a small status display for camera settings, although its exact purpose hasn't been fully confirmed yet. Battery performance looks promising as well. Leaks suggest the new device could offer up to 20% longer recording time, thanks to a slightly larger battery and more efficient power management. Remarkably, these improvements come without increasing the device's size. In fact, the Pocket 4 is expected to be just as compact as its predecessor, possibly even lighter. As for the launch timeline, DJI is reportedly aiming for a December release. However, potential US tariffs and a looming FCC review could push the launch into early 2026. The Osmo Pocket 4 has been quietly filed in the FCC database under the model ID OP041, confirming that the hardware design is finalized and the company is simply completing the last steps for certification. The filing reveals an upgraded battery, increasing from 1,300 mAh in the Pocket 3 to 1,545 mAh, roughly an 18% improvement. Marketed capacity may round up to 1,600 mAh, which translates to an estimated 15 to 18% longer shooting time, a meaningful boost for creators who often felt limited by the Pocket series battery life. Interestingly, DJI is achieving these upgrades while continuing its trend of weight reduction and material refinement, as seen in recent products like the Avatar 360. The internal components appear to have been optimized rather than overhauled, meaning the Pocket 4 retains much of the physical design from the Pocket 3. Connectivity remains familiar, with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth Low Energy, though details on whether it supports the newer BLE 5.2 standard are still unclear. Rumors about the camera's features suggest some exciting enhancements. The Pocket 4 may include a larger 1-inch sensor, potentially in a tube design that allows it to fit compactly without drastically changing the camera's form factor. DJI seems to be following a trend seen in other products like the Osmo Action 6 and Osmo 360, adopting square format sensors. A sensor measuring roughly 13.2 mm by 13.2 mm could unlock a new way of shooting vertical video, letting creators capture true 4K vertical content without sacrificing detail or resolution, a notable improvement over the Pocket 3, which reduced vertical resolution to 3K due to its rectangular sensor. This is particularly relevant given the explosive popularity of vertical video on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, where maintaining full resolution is crucial. Video capabilities are expected to take a huge leap as well. Rumors indicate that the Pocket 4 may support 6K recording at 30 frames per second. While not everyone will need 6K output, the additional resolution offers flexibility for editors to crop, reframe, or stabilize footage without losing quality. High-speed shooting could also see improvements, with potential support for 4K at 120 frames per second, providing filmmakers with smooth slow-motion footage directly in camera. Exposure and lens control may also be upgraded, with some leaks suggesting a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, allowing for more nuanced control over depth of field and exposure. Other reports suggest DJI might stick with a built-in 5-stop ND filter system instead. Either option would enhance outdoor shooting, enabling creators to maintain optimal exposure without carrying additional accessories. Alongside the hardware updates, the video addresses widespread concerns and rumors about a supposed US ban on DJI products. Despite sensational headlines, DJI is not currently banned in the United States. Consumers can continue to purchase and use DJI drones, cameras, gimbals, and other equipment without interruption. The confusion stems from a requirement in the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, which mandates a security review of DJI by the NSA by December 23, 2025. If the review is not completed on time, a ban could be triggered automatically, not because of any proven security breach, but purely due to procedural timelines. No audit has yet begun, so fears of an imminent ban are largely speculative. The review exists because some lawmakers consider DJI products a potential national security risk, fearing data could be transmitted back to China. However, no public evidence supports claims of secret data transfers, and the discussion is more geopolitical than technical. Should a ban occur, government departments might lose access to DJI devices, impacting industries like agriculture, construction, energy, filmmaking, and content creation. For everyday users, the advice is simple: continue using DJI gear as usual and avoid unnecessary panic. Overall, the Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be DJI's most ambitious and advanced pocket camera to date. Its dual-camera system, enhanced sensors, improved battery life, high-resolution video capabilities, and creator-focused upgrades position it as a significant step forward in the compact gimbal camera market. The combination of vertical video optimization, 6K recording, potential high-speed 4K capture, and better exposure control could make this the ultimate tool for content creators seeking portability without sacrificing performance. While the geopolitical situation surrounding DJI might create some uncertainties for institutional users, for individual creators, the Pocket 4 promises to deliver a powerful, compact, and versatile tool for capturing high-quality content in virtually any scenario. If these leaks and reports are accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 could redefine what's possible in a pocket-sized gimbal camera, offering creators unprecedented control, flexibility, and image quality, all while keeping the lightweight, portable design that has made the Pocket series so beloved. Whether you're a filmmaker, social media creator, or just someone who loves capturing life on the go, the Pocket 4 seems poised to be a game-changing addition to DJI's lineup.